Struggling to stick with your shorthand practice? You're not alone, almost. Every learner begins with excitement. New pens, new notebooks, that thrilling idea of writing at lightning speed. And then, somewhere along the way, the motivation just fades. I had been there too. When I first started learning Pitman Shorthand, I'd go all in for a few days, then take long breaks. And every time I came back, it felt like starting over. But once I figured out a few study habits that actually fit my life, everything changed. First, I had to ask myself one question. Why shorthand? Most people think it's just about speed, but in today's world, it's much more than that. It's about focus, clarity, and capturing ideas before they slip away. My moment came when I realized shorthand wasn't just a skill. It was a mindset. Once I connected with that purpose, consistency became much easier. Now, let's talk about habits, the real engine behind progress. My secret tool was what I call the 5-minute power drill. Every single day, no matter how busy I was, I practiced shorthand for just 5 focused minutes. That small routine built momentum. And once I started, I often kept going longer without forcing it. Then I added shorthand immersion. Instead of treating it like a subject, I made it part of my day. I jot down notes, reminders, even grocery lists in shorthand. Slowly, it stopped feeling like study time. It became second nature. Of course, there were days I felt stuck. When that boredom hit, I'd change things up. Record new dictations, test myself, or review old outlines. Small changes kept my brain engaged. To boost learning, I started using both digital and old-school tools. Flashcards, shorthand MCQs, even voice notes where I dictate to myself. Active recall. Testing what you remember, not just rereading. Made a huge difference. And spaced repetition? That's the real memory magic. Revisiting old material at set intervals locks it into your long-term memory. Life gets busy, I know. On tough days, I use micro-practice. Even 1 minute of outlining during a tea break keeps the chain of consistency unbroken. And if I ever need a break, I take it guilt-free. Because rest isn't quitting, it's recovering. Over time, shorthand gave me more than fast writing. It sharpened my focus, improved my listening, and even made me more organized. That's why I say shorthand isn't just a skill. It's a lifelong advantage. So here's my challenge to you. Find your why, commit to those 5 minutes a day, and build your shorthand into your lifestyle. Because once you do, mastery isn't a question of if. It's only a matter of when.